So, good evening. This is the two things that I choose in my house that I will describe. So, first, this is my grandfather's old watch, steel chronograph. The face is silver with a few smaller dials inside. The, the crystal is the crystal is scratched up pretty bad, and some of the numbers around the edge have faded. The steel band is loose, and it's got this dull worn look to it. You can tell it's been through a lot. My grandfather got this back in the 90s. He wore it. He wore it every day until it broke. But he keep it and never throw it away. I also wore it sometimes because it reminds me of him. So he's gone now, passed away. So the second thing is this. It's my favorite mug, white with leaf patterns and a lace design on the top. It feels good in my hand. The handle has small stain, and the colors are a bit faded. So this mug is a gift from my sister 5 years ago. It's with me every morning. It has seen work and late nights. Every sip is comforting. It's been cheap, but I saved it. It's more than just a mug. It is a part of my routine and memories. So that's all, and thank you.